Hello, you are welcome. In this video, we are going to compare between 18 to the power of 16 versus 16 to the power of 18. We are going to find out which of these numbers is the bigger number. So, 18 power 16 simply means 18 times 18 times 18 times 18. Then you have times 18. How many times? You have 16 times. Now, for you to achieve this, you need to make use of calculator, but we are not using calculator in this video. And 16 to the power of 18 simply means 16 times 16 times 16 times 16, and you have times 16. And this is how many times? You have 18 times. So if you can multiply this and multiply this, then you will now know which of these two numbers is the bigger number. But we are not using calculator. So since we are not using calculator, it's going to be very difficult to multiply this out. So what way can we use to find out which of these is the bigger number? So what we are going to do will be to assume that this particular 18 power 16 is A, while 16 power 18 becomes our B. Now, if A divided by B gives us a number that is less than 1, that means A is less than B. For instance, if A gives us 2 and B gives us 3, then 2 divided by 3 is less than 1. That means 2 is less than 3. Have you seen that? So, that is one criteria. Now, let's consider this other one here. If A divided by B gives us a number greater than 1, that means A is greater than B. For instance, if A is 5 and B is 2, 5 divided by 2 is greater than 1. That means we can say that A or 2 or 5 is greater than what? 2. This is another scenario. So we are going to divide this A by B, and let's check if A divided by B will be greater than 1 or less than 1. So remember, our A is 18 power 16, then divided by our B is 16 power 18. Then we have versus, here is 16 power 18. We have 16 power 18 divided by 16 power 18. That means we are dividing A by B. So we divide each by B, then this divide this, we have 1. That is why we are comparing everything to 1. So from here, let's reduce this further. So 18, you can have this as 18 is 2 times 9 raised to the power of 16 divided by, this is 16 to the power of 18 versus 1. So we are going to compare everything to 1. Now, the next step we are going to take will be, we can simply express 16 as 2 power 4. So that means we have 2 times 9 or 16 divided by 16 is 2 power 4 to the power of 18. And this will give us, now if you have A times B to the power of C, this equals A power C times B power C. So that means we have 2 power 16 times 9 power 16 divided by Here we multiply this exponent. We have 2 power 4 times 18. That will give us 72. So we have 72. Now from here, we have 2 to the power of 16 divided by 2 to the power of 72 times 9 to the power of 16. Now, consider this identity again. If you have a power n divided by a power n, this equals a power n minus n. So, from here, we simply have this is 2 power 16 minus 72 times 9 power 16. So from here, we have 2 power 16 minus 72 is negative 56. Then this is times 9 power 16. So 9 is a perfect square, that's 3 power 2. We have 2 power negative 56 times this is 3 power 2 power 16. So from here, we multiply this. We have 2 power negative 56 times 3 power 2 times 16. That is 32. Now, if you have a 3 power negative n, this equals 1 over a power n. So applying that here, that means we have 1 over 2 power 56 times 3 to the power of 32. So right now, we simply have this equals 3 power 32 divided by, we have 2 power 56. Now, I can express 32 as 4 times 8. Then 56, I can express it as 7 times 8. So let's substitute them right here. So we have this equals 3 power, this is 4 times 8, divided by 2 power, this is 7 times 8. Now remember also, a power n times n equals a power n or to the power of n. So that means we simply have 3 power 4 to the power of 8 divided by 2 power 7 to the power of 8. And from here, 3 power 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 raised to the power of 8 divided by 2 power 7 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is raised to the power of 8. And this equals 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27, 27 times 3, this is 81. 81 power 8 divided by 4, 8, this is 16, that's 264, this is 128. 128 power 8. Now, this simply means we can combine them since the exponent are the same. We have 81 divided by 128. And this is power 8, the common exponent. Now remember, we said that a divided by b, if it's less than 1, that means a is less than b. Our a here is 81, has been reduced to 81, while our b here has been reduced to 128. So if A is less than B, and obviously 81 is less than 128. That means our A is less than B. And what was our 81? 81 simply means, based on the question we had, that is 18 power 16. That's our 81. And it's less than 128 is 16 power 18. So the bigger number here is 16 power 18. So 16 power 18 is bigger than 18 power 16. So from here, the bigger number here is 16 power 18, bigger. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.